Now, Tanvir Shauriyar is going to start lecture once again. No problem, carry on. So whatever already half has been recorded. Half has been recorded. So if you want to cut short, no problem. That you should. But if you start from half of it, it will not be smart.
Sir,
that's
can
why,
I can't.
Yeah. Systematically you should start once again. Okay, no problem.
Sir,
you make it.
Can I start from the middle, last part?
Last part. But although you should start from the last part. So although you should start from the last part, you have to start systematically.
My last part, sir.
It will be not nice. Okay. Yes. Continue.
Yes, sir.
Now Tanvesh is going to start his speech.
Honorable sir, honorable teacher, senior brothers and sisters, present at today's meeting. I want to thank you, our respected co-counsel. Sorry, sir, Mama network on
Tanvir network is very weak. You know, I think you have to check your network. Which room or which corner of a room is very suitable for your strong network. I think your network is very weak. That's why we can't hear you well. Okay, no problem. No problem. Can you continue right now, Tanvir? Are you hearing us? Tanvir, are you hearing me? Tanvir, can you hear me? Okay. Tanvir can't hear us well because of weak network. Okay, I think Tanvir, you should check and try to make your now can you hear? Tanvir, now can you hear well? Tanvir? Tanvir? Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, Tanvir can't. Okay, Tanvir will be given for later. I think Tanvir should try first how he can make his network strong by moving from here or there in his room, or he needs to change the room. The room from which network can easily be available. Tanvir, you should choose and try to check your network. Now, I am calling Sujal. What is Sujal's full name? Sujal? Sujal, are you hearing me? Sujal, are you hearing me? Sujal, are you hearing me? Unmute. Why all mute? Sir is here. Are you all hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Right now, because his network is very weak. Tanvi, can you hear right now? Tanvi? Tanvi is not here. Okay. Sujal.
Sir,
Sujal
I
is
can
there?
hear you.
Okay. What's your full name,
Ji,
Sujal?
sir.
Hearing, but
Toha Karim Sujal.
there are issues.
Okay. Very good. Now, I am requesting Toha Karim Sujal, a learner of this institute, uh, to deliver his speech on our today's selected topic, importance of English as a global language. Sujal, first introduce yourself so that everybody can hear you well, can know you well. Who are you from? What are you doing? And where are you going to take admission for your college education or something like that? Yeah, you may start right now. Sujal.
My full name is, hello guys, my full name is Karim Sujal. I am from Kumilla and I will take my admission in City College. First of all, I like to thank my respective teacher and all of you. Thank you for giving me this course, KBX Oxford Coaching Center. Now I will give you the lecture of importance of as a global language of English. As all of you know that English is a global language and we are all able to communicate freely with one language to people all around the world. English can be used everywhere with educated people around the world. It is the world's second native language. English is the mother tongue of 380 million people. It is a universal language. It can be used in media, cinema, pop music, TV, and for anyone who knows English. A single language would help you reduce the misunderstanding and miscommunication with each other. It is definitely the world's most widely also the language of education, business, publishing, job recruitment, science, commerce, economics, and technology. One fluently as a foreign language. English is very important in business. 84% of companies want English as a foreign language. English is also very important for job requirement. It is very important who works in outside country. English has the most number of speakers who speak English either as a first language or second language. Without a doubt, no other language in the world can come closer to English in terms of its popularity. It is used worldwide by the newspapers, magazines, scientists, business, and politicians. 1.5 billion people around the world presently speak English, as all of you know. Many consider English as a global language because it is the one language that the majority of the population in almost every region of the world can speak English, and we all of can easily understand this language, and the language enjoys worldwide acceptance and used by every nation of the world. It is an extremely essential global language. Contribution of technology, commerce, art and art and formal education or is very important to learning English, to learn English. It is very important in our education. Over 50 million children study English as an additional language at primary section. Over 80 million study it at secondary level. Generally, we use our mother tongue in our country, and we use English for communicate with people that don't know anything about our language. They cannot speak about our language. They cannot speak in our language them by using English. And also for some other reasons like job and travel, business, English can introduce ourselves to new communities, new company, new job, place outside the world. It can give us a better life and luxury life. Today, English is becoming more and more popular all over the world. English is the language of United Nations, international summit meetings, science, technology, medicine, business, politicians. English brings people on earth together and helps them understand each other and exchange their necessary things, and we can express our feelings. We can express these feelings by this using this language. 3/4 of the world males write in English in order to achieve higher education qualifications. Students most successfully overcome this. So all of you know that it is very essential in our daily life, and it is a global language. All of us must learn how to speak English, and we must get the ability to speaking English. So that's all for me today. I like to thank my respected teacher. Thanks all of you.
Thank you very much, Toha Karim Sujal, for your nice and long speech. Really, I am very happy to see your performance, and I am also hoping that in future you can show more better performance than this. Okay, now it's Diganta's turn. Now, Diganta is another learner of Cavis Oxford. He also took admission here with all the learners. He is also actually doing well, showing his better performance. And I also hope that he can show his better performance. Okay. Now, I am asking Diganta to come and start his speech on our today's selected topic, importance of English as a global language. Please all keep your camera on.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Vaisal Kubikiramsa. Good evening to one. First, I want to thank to Kokunbura sir for giving me the opportunity to speak in front of you guys. First, I want to address that I'm not a good speaker. I am trying to improve myself day by day, and pardon my speech if I do so. Our topic is English in everyday life, or etc. English has been regarded as the first global lingua franca. Lingua franca is a adopted language from native speakers. It has become part and parcel of almost every existing field. We use it as the international language to communicate, and in many fields ranging from business. The English language an ocean of career opportunities to those who speak this language in different ways. I must also include that we are from Bangladesh and we don't have the exact opportunity to speak English as native. Similarly, it has turned into an inevitable requirement for various fields and professions like medicine, computing, and CSCM. With the fast evolving world, it is essential to have a common language we can understand to make the best use of the data and information, which are completely used in uh, speaking language natively. As a result, the English language has become a storehouse of various knowledge ranging from social, political fields. And I also must include that in the higher education, every single book of the higher education are written in English by the highly qualified teachers. Uh, if they can learn the language better than the natives, why we can? We also can learn the language better than them, and I have the confidence that I can speak the English language better than the native. Pardon my mistake. I became so what should I say, overconfident. I included that I'm not a good speaker and uh, I didn't prepare for the speech because of my sickness. Thanks all for me today. Thank you, Kokumbura sir, for giving me the opportunity again. That's all. Thank you, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, I'd like to thank Faisal Kabir Diganta for his speech. Okay, good, very good. Now it's Sifat's turn. Sipat, what's your
Yes,
full
sir.
name?
Sir, my full name is Emni Fahim Shahriar.
Okay, very good. You know, Fahim Shahriar is also one of the best students in his institute.
Yes, sir.
From the very beginning, he is also showing very better performance. And we are hoping that he also can express himself well, nicely, easily. And I am inviting you all to enjoy his lecture. And now he is going to start his lecture on our today's selected topic, importance of English as a global language. Okay, Fahim Shahriar, you may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Um, uh, thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to speak something. And thanks all to for hearing me. I am going to speak about the importance of English as a global language. English is a language that is used to communicate in many parts of the world. English is world's one of the world's most dominating language, having an impact on every field of work. English is not only used as a mere casually communication tool, but it is also used in business, politics, uh, tourism, in entertainment, and so on. It is also used in educational sectors and to communicate between two non-English native nations. English is used everywhere. In this age of globalization, countries like China, Japan, and Russia, who have passionately selected and promoted their language as English, they accepted the importance of the English language. English is very effective language, and that's proved by the many native and non-native speakers worldwide. Um, Statistics show nearly a one-fourth of the world is already fluent in English. though the number of native speakers are greater. Chinese is still not the global language because of its complicated letter system, grammar, or spelling. But English is very easier to us and other countries also. Thus, for a language to become a global language has little to do with the number of native speakers. Since English is so widely spoken, many have taken up English as their second language. English has allowed a common communication means between people of different countries, different backgrounds, etc. Hence, English has helped to diminish certain cultural barriers between nations. However, there are cultural difference between countries and barriers. But in India, who has thousands of local languages, English is used such a such a official language in their communication system. Though English is a relatively easy language and it is used to all over the world as a communication tool, everyone must uh, disregard their native language, must never disregard their native language. They should preserve their language, but they should also learn about English. They should practice English, uh, and we also we should also preserve our language, culture, and other programs and heritage, even if we learn English. In my speech, I tried to explain about importance of English as a global language. Thank you all for hearing me, and thanks our respected teacher Khokon Borua to give the opportunity. It's all about today. Thank you, sir. Sir, I can't hear you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sipat, for your nice speech. Brilliant performance.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope you must continue like this in future. And really, we are waiting to see more better performance than today.
Yes, sir.
And we also believe that you can.
Thank you, sir. I'll
Okay,
try.
now what about Iman? Iman, are you there? Iman, are you hearing me? Iman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it's your turn. After Iman, Saurabh will come. Saurabh, so now Iman is going to deliver his speech, and you should prepare yourself mentally. Saurabh, if you can, just make a call to Minhaj and ask him to join Zoom early.
Sir,
Minhaj.
please ask Imon to turn on his camera, sir.
Okay,
We
Iman.
eagerly want to see.
Now, I am requesting Iman, my dear student Iman, to deliver his speech on our today's
Evan
selected
Molla.
topic. What about importance of English as a global language, as it was assigned by Cavis Oxford in a previous class. Iman, first of all, your duty is to introduce yourself in brief, because all the audience need to know who you are, where are you from, and what are you studying right now, where have you completed your SSC, and where are you going to get admitted for your higher education or something like that. Yeah, carry on.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Imon. I am studying at BN School and College, Chattogram. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. First of all, I want to thanks to my honorable sir for giving me a chance to say something in front of you. Today I am here to speak something about English as a global language. As a global communication expand worldwide, so does the need for a global language. Global means all over the world. English is a language that is used to communicate many parts of the world. English is not only used to communication but also used to business, in entertainment and educational sectors to communicate between two non-native nations. English is now a English is now a global language because people all over the world use this language as a medium of communication. Without English, we cannot do anything in this modern world. Without having proficiency in English, we cannot hope to get a good job. A doctor, a banker, a secretary, an educationist, a defense officer should have the knowledge of English. For business communication, English is a must. So does to keep pace and maintain internal communication and relation, we should learn English because it can ensure our future career. We should learn the grammatical rules very carefully. Without learning grammar, it is not possible to have a good command over English. People having a good command over English are highly valued in the job market. However, if one has good knowledge of English, one can easily manage everything. So English is a global language. We cannot be said in a single word. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much for listening my speech carefully.
Okay. Thank you, Imon, for your short speech. Okay, very good. And I hope you should try to show your performance more better than now. Now, Sarwat, what's your full name, Sarwat?
Sir, Abdullah Al Sarwat.
Okay. Abdullah Al Sarwat is one of the best students in this institute. From the very beginning of this course, he is showing better performance. And day after day, he is actually improving himself, his proficiency in English speaking. Now I am calling him, asking him to deliver his speech on our as usual selected topic, importance of English as a global language. And
Thank you, sir.
for your kind information, I'm informing you once again that the today's class is going to be held at Cambridge, Oxford. You know, Cambridge, Oxford is an English language institute published 20 years ago in Chittagong, funded by I myself, you know, Dr. Kokon Burgo. And from the very beginning, my institute is providing English language tuition. Especially, most of the divided courses are taught here. You know, learner of any caliber or of any age can easily acquire ability in using English communication proficiency. I think you know about it. And the one thing of academic courses like SSC, HSC, honors and master's level students are also available here. So no doubt you can got yourself admitted here. Then continue your course to improve your proficiency in English language. Yeah. Now Saurabh is going to deliver his speech. Yeah.
Thank you,
Saurabh.
sir. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everybody. First, let me introduce myself. I am Abdullah Sarwat, and I got at KBS Oxford under our honorable teacher, Mr. Kokan Borua sir. So I want to tell you something that I am not a native speaker. I'm a non-native speaker and completely new at this stage. So I'm requesting you all that while I speaking, I will make mistakes. So please pardon my mistakes. So our honorable teacher gave us a topic which is English as a global language. So and he asked me to make a speech about it. So no further delay, let's talk about it. So while we are talking about English as a global language, the first question which is come, what is global language? A language which is spoken all over the world is called a global language. So in my research, I find with more than 350 million people around the world speaking English as their first language and 430 million speaking it as a second language. There are English speakers in most countries around the world. You could possibly ask me, why is English so popular though? And why has it become global language? Let me tell you a thing. People often call English the international language of business, and it increasingly too as international trade expands every year, bringing new countries into contact. And I need to include that many of the best MBA programs are taught in English. So speaking English well can put you in a greater position. So you see, most of multinational companies require a certain degree to English proficiency from potential employees. So in order to get a great position in a company, we must need to speak well. Or there is a personal thing. If your ambition lies in science or medicine, you can neglect English either. So while I'm speaking, there must be many grammatical mistakes. Please pardon me. So if you want to learn about the latest developments or discoveries from around the world, you will read them in journals or research reports, which are published in which are published in English, no matter whether the scientists wrote them from China, America, Germany, no matter where. So with a good conversation skill, you are able to create a network and make an important contacts with other countries' people. So the main reason I get admitted in this institute to make my speech greater and so attractive to the outer country people, and they can understand me well. It is the main reason I get admitted in this institute. English is very important to every one of us, and that's why we tried our best to uh, be like a native speaker, and we will try our best to do so. So that is a small description of the English as a global language. I tried my best to uh, explain you a little bit of this topic, and I want to thank our honorable teacher to give me this opportunity. This is my first time I speak in front of you guys, so please appreciate me and thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, thank you, Saurabh, for your nice speech. Now, it's Mohammad Yamin Hassan's turn. Yamin, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay. So after Yamin, I think we don't have, yes. After Yamin, Tanvir will repeat because actually we haven't heard Tanvir's speech full. Tanvir, are you hearing us? Tanvir, are you hearing us?
Yes, sir. I am hearing, sir.
Okay, now Yamin is delivering his speech, and after Yamin, you have to repeat your speech once again, because actually most of the audience couldn't hear your speech well earlier because of a weak network. So I'm just informing you,
Yes, sir.
get ready. Now,
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it is still weak, sir. Sir, how I repeat it?
no problem. Yes, we have actually 1 minute time to cover it up. After this, you should rejoin because your time is going over. Now I'm closing here,
Yes, sir.
and just you should rejoin. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, assalamu alaikum. Good
Don't
evening,
need to
everybody.
because I am not closing totally. That means you have to rejoin because we have still 2 speakers left. Because of your meeting time is over, not our class is over.
Yes, sir.
Class is still left. We should rejoin.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.